Incident investigation and creating corrective actions. As part of the Workplace Health and Safety module is an incident investigation process. As soon as an incident is created in the system, this process will be triggered. Please visit this tutorial if you want to know more about creating, editing, or deleting an incident in the system. Upon getting triggered, the process automatically generates a task for the WH&S team, notifying them to review and investigate the newly reported incident. Note: only users who have been assigned to the WH&S team will be able to review the generated tasks in the task portal. Please visit this tutorial to know more about adding and removing users from the WHS team role. The incident investigation. To review the incident investigation task, follow these steps. Locate the task via the task portal. Click on the title to navigate to the details page of the incident. Now review the incident details by selecting the incident form link as shown here. Ensure enough detail has been provided on the incident record. In case the details are not sufficient, please contact the relevant people to gather incident particulars. If enough information has been provided, determine what factors caused the incident. Note: there can be more than one incident factors that contributed to the occurrence of the incident. As last step in the review and investigation process, define the corrective action. These actions will focus on how such incidents will be prevented in future. To define a corrective action, click on New Corrective Action. A flyout will open, allowing you to enter information in the relevant fields. There are 3 mandatory fields here: name of the solution, who is responsible for the solution, by when the solution should be completed. You can also be descriptive in defining the solution and the incident factors it aims to address. Click Create once all the details have been entered. Feel free to add as many corrective actions as required. Don't forget to save. Note: if corrective actions have been created, a separate corrective action management process will be triggered for each of the corrective actions. Please see the Completing a Corrective Action tutorial for more details.